Hello, welcome back to Galvix's YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about sales tax registration in the state of Hawaii. So, if your business sells in the state of Hawaii, then you may require to collect sales tax and remit it to the state. For you to know that, you need to know the Nexus rules. So, go back to our channel and check out the Nexus video for Hawaii, where you have the Nexus thresholds. So, once you meet those, once you understand that, then come back to this video and I will help you answer the question how to register for sales tax in Hawaii. So the first step is basically once you establish your nexus, once you know what you need to register for, you come down to capturing the first step, which is gathering your business's information. Make sure that you have at least this information available handy so that the process gets a little simpler. Now, after you have gathered all your business information, you're going to go ahead and navigate directly to HITax, which is hitax.hawaii.gov. And once you do that, you're going to be directed directly to this website, which is the official Department of Taxation website for the state of Hawaii. Now you scroll down and click on Register New Business License. Here, you're going to be applying for the BB1 business application. So click on this, and this will follow the procedure. So the first step is select the type of application you are submitting, so which means that what is the type of business yours is, based on what it is, whether it's a corporation, a state, a GP, LLC, whatever it is. You go ahead and select that and click on the FEIN. So here you're going to fill in the FEIN for your business and type in your business's name, as well as the mailing address. Today for this tutorial I'm applying as a remote seller, but you can follow the same process for your physical business in Hawaii as well. Okay, so once we fill that in, you're going to verify your address and click on next. Okay, here we will fill in the contact information. Now make sure that all the contact information, the emails and the phone numbers that you submit here are active, because these will be utilized for all tax related communication. Okay. All right. Now you're going to add in more details about your business, starting from the business activity, exactly when your sales reached the threshold. That's what you're going to enter here. This is the date from when your sales tax is going to be calculated, and the date of the organization. Well, you can fill that along with where your business was established, the state was incorporated, the business was incorporated in which state, and then just type in the year that it got incorporated. Oh goodness, May. Yes. Okay, you're going to put in other information, whether it's a foreign business, or whether it's a joint venture or not, and add in a little detail about what your business does. Okay. And you're going to select your accounting method, either cash or accrual, and your accounting period, whether it's a calendar year that follows or whether you follow a fiscal year. Now this is important because based on this, your filing frequency dates will be fixed. So make sure that you select it according to your business, and then you come to the NAICS code section. If you know the code, you can directly type it in. If not, you can type in the business activity keyword here, and it should pop up the NAICS associated with it, and that will autofill it. So great. Once you're through this, just make sure that you check this. Okay, and we move ahead. Okay, here you're going to add in the person who's going to be associated with this account, the one who will, verify details, be associated with the tax related activities in the future. So I'm selecting CFO here. And just put in the ID for verification and enter the SSN, or you can select in another number as well, ITIN, which is the taxpayer ID. Okay, my bad, that's the last name. Okay, now you're going to enter the representative's address. Okay, once you verified that, again enter all of this information. Yes, and move ahead. Now you can add as many representatives as you want for your tax account. I'm just happy with one, so we're going to click on no for that. And we come to the account section. So this is a very important section. Here you're going to be selecting what kind of account type you're applying for. So today we're applying for sales tax. So sales tax in Hawaii is called general excise tax. So we're going to be selecting yes for this. And if anything else applies, you can select yes for that as well and move on. Now, again, we're going to be entering the activity, the date since when the business activity began in Hawaii. So, this will be the date that will calculate sales tax from for your business. Now, based off of that, you can Hawaii is now giving you an option of selecting what filing frequency applies to you. Now, for you to get an understanding on this, now you can put in the comments down below if you need me to explain this a little more. Basically, based on your sales amount, you can decide whether it is monthly, quarterly, and semi-annually. This information is available on the Hawaii Tax online brochure and the official website, so you can go ahead and check out their website to get more clarity on what you can select. Based on this, if it reaches, there are three categories. If your amount goes above a slightly higher one, then it will be monthly, then follows quarterly, then semi-annually, and then annually. So you can go ahead and select one of these. See, now exactly what I was telling you. Annual tax does not exceed for $4,000. So, like I said, the limits are given on the official website. Each of the free filing frequencies has an amount. So, if yours applies for this, then it will be annual. If not, you can select whatever applies. And also, mind you, there is a fees for this application, which is $20 fee, and you move on. Now, is your location address the same as the mailing address? If it is, then you click on yes and it will be auto-filled. If not, then fill in the address that is. Okay, you fill in this information. This is pertaining to your web access. You fill in your username and your password and the secret questions. You're going to be verifying this email as well and typing in the verification code that you receive. Okay, now once you're through that, you're going to be seeing the final page, which is your summary page. So check in all of this information. You can go back to the previous pages and check the rest of them as well. You'll have the saved information, and once you're happy with it, you're going to go ahead and click on next and submit after putting in your payment options. So you can select a bank account to make an ACH debit payment or a credit or debit card right now to pay as well. So whichever suits, you can go ahead and click on that and submit this application, and that will complete your sales tax registration procedure with the state of Hawaii. Now you're going to be waiting in for a letter from the state itself confirming your application, and they will give you an access code as well, which will be utilized to for the further steps to set up your online filing account. So that is the thing. Let me know if you have any questions throughout this process, or if you want any other details regarding to the process that's coming ahead. We'll be happy to help you. You can also filling this for one state is probably okay, but filling it for so many states gets really cumbersome, and knowing if you've done it right is another headache altogether. So if you need help with that, you can check us out, galvix.com. We are a sales tax compliance solution. We help you with registrations, Nexus tracking, and filing as well. So let us know. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.